Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Goes Modworks, and this is the build update part 5 of the Jadlam Spitfire group build. And yeah, after a lot of swearing, I've obviously touched up the bleed through, etc. on her, as you can see there. Obviously, the props are painted. I did them. I decided to do them white, and did do the spinner red, so it sort of tends to match. It tends to blend in with it. I was quite excited by that. Painted a few greeblies up in the red. Obviously, I've got the exhaust over there, which will be gone on and finished later today. Then we'll give this a gloss clear coat and get ready to put some decals on it. Because in theory, what I'm going to do is put the stencils on the top of the wing, not put the roundels. Put the roundels on the bottom and all the little stencils on it, so it'll look recognisably like a Spitfire. And as you can see, I've done the markings for the machine gun ports. Did that with outlaw yellow. It's pretty easy to do. Also tidied up one of the lines because I had bleed through on one of the lines there. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It looks completely mad. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, so we're back again with the last remaining pieces to we've got to paint and we've got to clean up. I've cut them all off the sprues, so I don't bore you to death with that bit. Just got to clean these up. A little bit of scrapage. A little bit with the sanding sponge, just to clean the wheels up. Don't have to be perfect, but they are weight on wheels here. So those two done. Actually get the undercarriage done. Yes, we've run into a little bit of a problem with the gloss coat. It's not very glossy. It's very flat. Right, so I've got to stick the oleo bits on the legs. There we go. Get the oleo on that one. Get the oleo on that with this. I'll get the hinge. Thank God I've been doing mini art kits, because these the tiny little location pins will right. That's that one done. And let's get the wheel spinners cleaned up. Because I think I'll probably do those blue, just to be a bit different. Rather than red. I'll also do them blue on this side as well, and mask that up and paint the wheel. So that would be where my high Q masks come in quite handy. And all we've got to do is take it off at the other end and clean it up. Let's do this little pitot tube. It's always something to annoy you with a kit where something doesn't bloody work. I'll have to have a word with Master Moz, find out whether it's a mislabeling issue or not. Because I thought the gloss would have been really gloss. Not that it matters, the decal should go down quite well. So we'll leave those be there. When I come back to them in part 6, they'll all be painted. They'll probably be on the Spitfire. So we'll see you in a bit. So we've got our exhaust back. Put all the bits in a little tray there so I won't lose them. I'll get those all painted up, as I said in my last file. We'll clean that one up a bit more. Like so. Get the wheel. Yeah, it's also all painted. They're painted in LP 61, I think, which is metallic grey instead of gunmetal. Editing. The Spitfire is done. Well, for this part anyway. So I've got the gloss coat on it. It's very patchy, but it feels quite smooth. So I'll have to consult. I'll have to consult Moz. But I've got the exhausts in. They were a bit of a job because they just didn't want to go in. So I've had to trim them off and cut the pins off and fit the exhaust in. One side slightly uneven, but never mind. So I'll bid you adieu for this part and say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.